These rolls have broken records. Cut the chicken breast into slices. Cover with cling film and pound the fillet with a schnitzel mallet. Season with black pepper and salt. Turn to the other side and season the same way. Grate the carrot and put it in a bowl. Add grated mozzarella, finely chop parsley, pour in yogurt and mix well. Put the mixture on the chicken breast slices and roll tightly. Place the rolls in the tray greased with vegetable oil. Drizzle with lemon juice and bake for 40 minutes. Cut the peeled potatoes into pieces and put in a bowl. Season with salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, thyme, vegetable oil. Mix the potatoes with the spices. Place on the baking tray and bake for 25 minutes. Sprinkle the rolls with grated mozzarella and bake for another 15 minutes. Chicken rolls, filled with lots of cheese and herbs, will turn your meals into a real treat. They taste just as good in any combination, whether a filling side dish, a light salad, or a delicious sauce.